In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up DuckDuckGo on an iPhone. So we're going to open up the App Store, and in the search bar, you're going to search for DuckDuckGo. So this is the one that you're looking for. It currently has 159,000 ratings. And this is the developer and the file size. So just make sure you install the correct one. And then we're simply going to press the download button here. It should download pretty fast. And then we're going to get started with the setup. So press open. So this is what it looks like. Let's do it. And then select choose your browser. So this is going to make DuckDuckGo your preferred browser. So from your settings, scroll down, find DuckDuckGo, and then you'll see the default browser app. Change it to DuckDuckGo, and then we'll come back and open the app up. Select your app color, we'll just keep it the same. And then it'll ask where you want the address bar. So I like mine at the bottom, but you can choose whatever you want. Then press next. And so this is how the browser looks. So that's pretty much it. We've installed DuckDuckGo. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.